You think, yeah, I'm religious. Yeah, I'm me. 100%. I'm keeping Shabbat. I'm fine. We're buying food only in the kosher grocery store. The meat, everything is kosher. Everything is perfect. Now I fulfilled my obligation. Yotzei Yedei Chovah. I'm 100% fine. And it shows that you forgot the purpose of your creation. Always to seek for more, always to learn more, always to check yourself. Where are you holding? What is your level? What Hashem Elokecha shoel mimcha? What does God asks from you? What does Hashem wants? What can I do more? Where I can help? Who needs some help? Who needs charity? How can I assist? What can I do? What more there is to learn? Maybe I forgot something. All the time you need to be in touch with reality. So sometimes a person can fool himself to think, oh yeah, me, I'm fine, everything's amazing, like it's in my pocket already. When you think you know, that's the moment you start to forget. The world does not exist. Because olam milshon ne'elem, the world is just blocking the light of truth. The world calls alma deshika, world of light. It's just a fake.